8th standard. Today we discuss about our new topic health and disease. Okay, this video I have uploaded this video in Gurukul app. So if any doubts regarding to this video, you ask me in chat box and ask me in live lecture. Okay, so watch this video carefully. How do the following diseases spread? How do the following diseases are spread? The name of the few diseases and right here. And how these diseases, these very dangerous diseases, are spread in air, spread to the food, spread in atmosphere. How they are mode of infection and mode of spreading in atmosphere, spreading in people to people. In this lecture, we discuss with you. Okay, this what? This is the first. This is the first is what? Hepatitis. Hepatitis is a disease spread. Hepatitis is a virus. Hepatitis is virus transmitted by oral routes. Transmitted by oral routes. तोंडावाटे बाहेर पडणार. तोंडावाटे. Oral routes. Hepatitis is a virus transmitted by oral route. Transmitted by oral route. Okay, hepatitis. This is the first. Second, malaria. Malaria, you already know malaria. Malaria is transmitted by mosquito bites. Mosquito bites. Malaria is transmitted by mosquito bites. Transmitted by mosquito bites. Okay, you already know about hepatitis, malaria, and next one is scabies. Is scabies, not rabies. Not rabies, is the scabies. Scabies is the skin contact person has scabies. The skin contact with person has scabies. ज्याला scabies झालाय त्याच्या स्किनच्या संपर्कात आला तर scabies होतो. Okay, the skin contact person has scabies. ज्याला scabies already आहे त्याच्या कॉन्टॅक्ट मध्ये आला तर तुम्हाला scabies होतो. Means skin contact. This scabies transmitted by skin contact. Transmitted by skin contact. Okay, next TB, tuberculosis. TB means tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is transmitted to tuberculosis bacteria present in air. This transfer person to person. This transfer person to person. Tuberculosis is a virus transmitted bacteria is transmitted present in air, and this bacteria transfer person to person. Means tuberculosis bacteria present in air and transfer people to people या person to person. Okay, next dengue. You already know about dengue. Okay, dengue, contaminated water. Dengue transmitted to contaminated water. Contaminated water means दूषित पानी. दूषित पानी. Contaminated water means दूषित पानी. The dengue spread through transmitted through contaminated water means दूषित पानी. Okay, dysentery. Dysentery means dysentery disease. Dysentery disease. Oral route contaminated food and water. Dysentery is also spread to oral routes. तोंडावाटे. Contaminated food and water also dysentery are spread. Contaminated दूषित अन्न अनदूषित पाण्याने. Okay, next is ringworm. Ringworm, this is the skin disease related to skin disease. The ringworm is person contact with infected soil. This is the person contact with infected soil. This person have ringworm. The person contact with has ringworms. This ringworm spread to infected soil. Infected soil means दूषित माती में. दूषित माती में. Okay, infected soil. Ringworm. Okay, swine flu. Swine flu transmit surface contaminated with the virus. The people surface contaminated with the virus, swine flu are spread. ओके, म्हणजे जमिनीवर जर व्हायरस हा पसरला असेल स्वाइन फ्लूचा, तिथं टच झालं पीपलचा, कुठल्या तरी पर्सनचा तर काय होईल स्वाइन फ्लू त्याला होईल ओके सरफेस कॉन्टॅमिनेटेड विथ द virus the person surface contaminated with the virus okay this is what different types of disease and mode of infection how they are spread we discuss in this lecture next what do we mean pathogen pathogen is the virus bacteria and microorganism causes different types of disease okay the pathogen is the one type of virus the pathogen is the one type of bacteria virus is the one type of pathogen is the one type of microorganism causes different types of disease okay this is the word pathogen okay what do you mean by infection disease संसर्गजन्य रोग what is meant by infection disease संसर्गजन्य रोग in this area small droplets are vaporized in the fine mist means duke the person through sputum means tunki in this area the person is sputum means tunki in this area small droplets are vaporized into fine mist small droplets म्हणजे बारीक असे त्याचे कण या तुंकीचे बारीक कण आर व्हॅपराइज म्हणजे बाष्पामध्ये रूपांतर होतं त्या मिस्ट मध्ये मिक्स होतं मिस्ट म्हणजे त्या धुक्यामध्ये एअर मध्ये प्रेझेंट आहे मिस्ट रिमेनिंग इन this mist with small droplets of sputum remain in air minute and also few hours in air large droplets settle down ground within the second and large droplet settle down on the ground within the second and this infected mist spread in all direction and also ground okay this is a what infection disease okay to understand this is a what infection disease to understand if any doubts of different types of disease and mode of infection and definition of pathogen and definition of infection disease if any problem you ask me in chat box if any difficult word is there you not understand you ask me in a live lecture in chat box okay thank you